All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Coffee with Markus. All right, this will be an exciting morning, and in a moment, you'll see why. So, let's see who here wants to make money with trading. Come on, that's why we are here, right? Who here wants to make enough money with trading so that you can quit your job? Yes, exactly. And who wants to make so much money with trading that you can travel the world, live the lifestyle you always dreamed about? Yes, absolutely. And how many of you want to get as much as possible of our time together today? Yes, exactly. I want that for you because for most of you here with us today, this is going to be a long-term relationship between us. I promise you. Once I show you how simple this is, once I show you an easy way to trade, once you realize that this actually works, and once you realize that you can do this too, once you see that this can give you the freedom and lifestyle you want, you will want to hang out with me for a lifetime. I promise you that. So here's what we're going to do today, what we are going to do today. In a moment, we're going to take a look at the markets live and see what's moving the markets today. And today, we're going to review the performance of buying options because it is already August 1st. So would you like to see how we did in July? And also, we're going to take a look at PowerXAnalyzer and see if there are any interesting stocks to trade. Sounds good? All right, fantastic. Then let's get started. So I am still on the road. So as you know, I'm traveling right now, do this crazy trip from Austin, Texas to Cape Cod and Buzzards Bay. So yesterday we made a stop in Washington. I do have some pictures, but I forgot to transfer them over to this computer. So I'll show them uh, maybe tomorrow, right? So I made my way to through New York yesterday. So we drove until late at night, until 2 a.m. actually. And today we have the final 3 hours to go. So this will be exciting. And then I'm finally stationary. All right, cool. So let's take a look at the markets here. Again, in the upper row, what you see here is the E-mini S&P on the upper left, the E-mini NASDAQ right here, and the E-mini Dow. And as you can see, all three indices here already up this morning. We're up 0.28% in the E-mini S&P, in the NASDAQ 0.3%, 0.46. So the Dow is leading the movement here this morning. That is very interesting. So the Dow ahead of the other two indices. Crude oil hit more than $50 yesterday. So as you can see, we've climbed over $50. So right now we are tracing a little bit, trading at 49.68. So we're slightly down from yesterday's close. Actually, we're down 1%, not slightly down. And here we see gold and bonds. And again, the inverse relationship as the indices are moving up, gold and bonds are moving down. So what is the big news for the markets today? Well, first of all, let's take a look here at our economic calendar. Let me bring this up here real quick. There we go. So today is Tuesday, August 1st. This is all times in Eastern time. So before the markets opened, we had the core PCE price and personal spending. We have the ISM manufacturing PMI 30 minutes into trading. So the markets open at 9:30, and at 10 o'clock, we have the ISM manufacturing PMI. But honestly, what will move the markets today is Apple. Apple is reporting earnings today after the close. So let's take a look at the stock here really quick. I want to bring up Apple. This is not Apple, this is BP. I looked at it for different reasons. Okay, Apple. So here is I believe they're still the largest cap company in the world, and they are reporting earnings after the close today. As you can see, Apple has been trending up nicely here. This is a daily chart. But then, as you can see, Apple has been confined in a range. Let me see, where is my little square? There we go, a little rectangle. So Apple has been trading sideways pretty much since May. This is when they made new all-time highs here at a little bit over 155. I believe it was at 156.42 where they made new all-time highs. Scratching there, then fell back to almost at around 140 and have been trading in this range ever since. So today we will see what Apple reports. Of course, we want to see, or what investors want to see, is how they did last quarter. The previous quarter, iPhone sales were very disappointing. So now we want to see what is happening there. And let's see if Apple can make new all-time highs here for the stock, or if they are retracing. So this is the main news that is going on in the markets here. And let me just quickly see. All right, fantastic. Good. So anyhow, what I wanted to see how our binary options alerts are doing. So binary options, I always like to review the performance at the end of the month. So let me quickly bring up the trading log here and switch over to the trading log. Let's see, show Google Chrome. Here we go. Now, binary options are really fascinating to trade, and I hope that you're trading binary options. We did a coffee with Markus where we explained in more detail on how binary options work. So if you're interested in this, if somebody from my team can post a link here to the previous recordings, because we did that 10 or 15 minutes, so I just explained how binary options work. Now, the beautiful thing about binary options is you can trade binary options with an account as small as $1,000. And so what we do is we are trading it live on an account that we have with Nadex, and we are logging the trades every single day. So let's scroll back to the beginning of July, and we want to look at the net profit after commissions. And this is where here we have some fun with a small account. So we are trading a small account with the one lot. So this is like $1,000 account. And let's see if we are adding up all these. So let's see how we did in July. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. All right, I don't know if you can see the sum in the lower right here. Let's actually, you know what? Let's take a few notes. Let's take a few notes here. I'll take the notes in a minute. So, oops. Now I moved to the wrong screen. So let me go back to Chrome here. So we made $189.25. Well, consider this is on $1,000 account. So on $1,000 account, net, if you had traded the options that we are issuing, where we issue the signals every single day in your text, you would have made almost 19% in July. That's not bad at all, right? And it is so easy to do it because you just receive a text from us, punch it in, and this is basically how it works. So if you want to know more on how binary options work, by all means, watch the Coffee with Markus. It's only 10 minutes or 15 minutes. This is where you see exactly how we trade the binary options. Wow, so this has been a really good month. And you see, overall for the year, let's see, where do we stand for the year? Let's bring up the statistics here. For the year, we are up, look at this, for the year we are up 122%. 120. This is live on a real account. We are actually trading this. This is every single trade that we have taken in this account. Since January 1st, we had 160 trades, 125 winning trades, 35 losing trades, so the winning percentage, 78%. Now think about it. If you had traded this, let me make this a little bit bigger. Let's see, what can I change the font size? There's no easy way to do it. All right, never mind. Actually, let me see if I can hit Command plus. Nope, that doesn't work. Doesn't matter. Okay, so think about it. If you just had traded this since the beginning of the year, you would have more than doubled your account. And really, this is so simple to trade binary options. You don't have to sit in front of the computer at all. All you need to do is, as soon as you get a text from us, punch it in to the mobile platform. They have an excellent mobile platform, Nadex, and this is where you can just follow the trades. So try to open an insert menu. even if you are busy throughout the day, even if you are, let's say, traveling, or you are busy at a job, or you're busy playing golf, whatever it is, this is so brain dead simple, and you see you would have doubled your account. In July alone, making 19%, that's not bad at all, right? All right, cool. So last thing that we want to do here is see if there are any possibilities according to the PowerXAnalyzer. So let me switch over again to right over here and at PowerXAnalyzer and see what's happening there. So this morning, I already ran the scanner that filters out the best opportunities out of all the, I don't know, 41,000 stocks that we have in the database here. And after running the scanner, I came up with a few that look pretty interesting to me. So this morning, I'll consider possibly here buying VAC, Marriott Vacation. So that is a nice one. You see, it came up in the scanner. It has been moving nicely, has been nicely moving up, made a retracement here, and is now giving us a buy signal. So it's a buy signal to go long at, oh, we're already in this, okay, because see the data is loaded here. So we have already the live data here right now, so it should be at 117. This is where I'll try again at 117. Very nice. So we have 9 wins, 10 losses, a winning percentage of 47%. For the year, if you had traded all the signals here, according to the PowerX strategy, it would be a 64.8% ROI for the year. Not as good as the binary options. I mean, come on, the binary options are hard to beat, right? Already doubling your account in less than less than 8 months, in 7 months. But anyhow, so this is a good one here. Profit factor of 4.98 and a risk reward ratio of almost 4 to 1. So I definitely like this. I'll consider trading VAC, and it has also been on our hot stock list. I believe it was for May or June. VRX, that is a stock that I've traded quite frequently. In fact, I did catch this run up here, and right now it is giving us a signal to sell. So this could be interesting, a nice sell signal that we are getting here. Looking at a profit target of $2.23. So all we need is going down to probably 14. So that's not a whole lot with a stop loss of $1. So risking $1.17, trying to make 223. Nice risk reward ratio of 2 to 1. We're looking at 10 wins, 8 losses over the past year, 55% winning percentage, and an ROI, if you had taken the trades, according to the PowerX strategy, of 87.5%. Two others that look pretty interesting that I might consider here for this morning is what is this, CXW? No idea what they're doing, don't care, don't have to do it. So this has been showing some nice trends here, both to the upside and downside, and right now we have a possible short signal coming up here. 9 wins, 5 losses, so winning percentage of 64%, 80% ROI for the year, and the risk reward ratio, as you can see, is almost 5 to 1. So that's a pretty good one. So for every dollar risk, we're trying to make $5, definitely like this. And then from yesterday, this is the trade that I tried to enter yesterday. ABEO didn't get the fill, but we still have a valid signal here. So I'm still considering ABEO. So these are the 4 stocks that I'm considering for today. And stocks. All right, so let's just quickly summarize a few things before we wrap it up, and then I'll answer a few more questions for those of you who are here live, because I want to reward of you that are live here. So first, what is moving the markets, not mobbing, moving the markets today? We talked about this. So today, Apple is reporting earnings after the bell. So this afternoon. Secondly, how did binary options do in July? Oops. Short answer. Awesome. Because what we did is plus, what did we say? $189. So it's 18.9% in July, and it is net after commissions. Yay! All right, third, okay, PowerXAnalyzer. So there were a few stocks that I'm considering right now. I remember it was VAC. Let me slide this over here. So a few stocks that we can consider: VIC, VRX, CXW, ABO. All right, very, very cool. If you want to learn more about PowerXAnalyzer, I said it yesterday. So we do have actually, right now this week, we do have a special on PowerXAnalyzer. And if you go to www.rockwelltrading.com/action, this is where right now it is $497 and the regular price is $997. Also, if you're interested in binary options, just go to our website and look for binary options, standard products and services, products, binary options, and it's only binary options. So there's no special there because it's only $47 per month. I mean, that's pretty much it for doing all the work. And right now, I see that we are already getting some binary options alerts here. Oh, actually, I'm using the wrong links here. My team just tells me the wrong links. So the right links are in the chat. So you will see them right here in the chat. Anyhow, so this is what we want to cover this morning. For those of you who are here live, I want to hang out for a few more minutes, answer a few of your questions. And for those of you who are watching the recording, please join us live every morning between 8:20 and, as you can see, 8:35 for 10-15 minutes every day. We're doing Coffee with Markus, and we talk about trading, chatting, and then I'll hang out here and answer a few more questions. All right, for those of you watching the recording, that's it for you. For those of you who are here live, let's jump into the chat box and answer a few questions.